EasyPro by Unilock is the ultimate in paving stone and paving slab jointing compounds. Use EasyPro Jointing Compound wherever you need maximum performance and protection against weeds, insects, frost, and erosion. This easy-to-use premixed, haze-free jointing compound can be used in paver or slab installations where other sands cannot be used, or where a long-term heavy-duty solution is required. Install EasyPro in rain or sunshine. This feature alone makes EasyPro a great jointing option. In fact, it can be installed in any temperature between 32 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. EasyPro's outstanding performance qualities make it the ultimate jointing compound for residential and commercial installations. Ideal for larger joints, EasyPro can be used in joints ranging in size from 1/4 inch and larger, and can be used in new installations or retrofit applications. Available in 3 complementary colors, EasyPro will match or contrast any paver or slab driveway, patio, walkway, or pool deck design. Let's take a look and see why we call this EasyPro Jointing Compound. Make sure that the joints you are planning to fill have an opening of 1/4 inch or greater. The consistency of EasyPro makes it difficult to work into smaller joints. The joints also need to be at least 1.5 inch deep to ensure long-lasting performance, especially in vehicular applications. Dummy grooves or false joints like the ones in Avante Ashlar and Trevia need only be 1/4 inch deep. Note, before using EasyPro, it's important that the pavers or slabs are installed on the appropriate base material and bedding course to minimize joint movement. Because EasyPro Jointing Compound is permeable, you should always ensure that the base material consists of proper free-draining material with adequate load-bearing capacity for your application. Also, make sure that you have completed the final compaction of the pavers before applying this compound. We always recommend a protective pad at the bottom of the compactor. Do not compact the pavers after applying EasyPro into the joints. Before starting, make sure that you have the following tools: a 24 to 30 inch wide squeegee, sufficient hose to reach all areas of the installation, a good quality nozzle with variable settings, a hand trowel, a masonry pointing tool, a fine bristle broom, and a coarse bristle broom for cleanup. Step 1. Your installation should also be cleaned and free of any dirt, debris, or efflorescence. Cleaning with a pressure washer is recommended, and we suggest that you use Unilock paver cleaners where required. This cleaning also pre-wets the pavers, which is an important step prior to applying the EasyPro compound. This is also a good time to inspect the finished installation, just in case you need to swap out any pavers that need replacing, or just to improve the color blending. Step 2. If the pavers have dried after cleaning, pre-wet the pavers or slabs again, making sure that the surface remains wet prior to applying the compound. Step 3. Open the lid of the EasyPro container and cut open the vacuum-sealed bag. Pour the contents of the container onto the wet surface and begin to trowel the compound into the joints, much like you would a ceramic tile grout. A squeegee is the best tool for this. Adding water to the compound will facilitate the movement of EasyPro into the joints. Water will not dilute the compound or reduce its effectiveness. If you are patching or filling certain joints, you can use a masonry pointing tool to ensure the compound fills the joint. EasyPro is also ideal for Richcliffe, Quartzstone, and Town Hall. As you are completing, take any extra compound and place in the EasyPro bucket for use on another project. Just cover the surface of the compound right away with an inch of water, and it will last until your next job. Step 4. Broom the surface with a fine bristled broom, sweeping diagonally to the joints, making sure that you do not sweep too deep in the joint, but deep enough to make the joint pleasing to the eye. On average, the joint compound should be about 1/8 of an inch to 3/16 of an inch below the paver surface. With products like Quartzstone, the joint can be slightly deeper so that the cobbles look natural. Always review the entire installation with a small whisk-type broom and make any final cleanups and adjustments. You may walk on the surface right away, but do not drive on the surface for 24 hours. As the name suggests, Unilock Select EasyPro Jointing Compound is easy and professional. No mixing, no waiting, no waste, no hazing, no reapplying, no handling issues, and best of all, no callbacks. Try Unilock Select EasyPro Jointing Compound on your next project and experience this revolutionary jointing material with all its labor-saving installation and performance benefits. It may well be the only jointing material you'll ever use again. For additional information, we recommend that you visit unilock.com or contact your local area Unilock representative.